Asif Bhamla, spokesperson of the BJP, joining us. Advocate Susiben Shah, national spokesperson of the Shiva Sena, of the Shinde faction, joining us as well. Clyde Crasto, national spokesperson of the NCP, with us. This is, of course, the Sharad Pawar faction. And Matthew Antony is spokesperson of the Congress party. As and when Neeraja Chaudhary joins us, we'll get her into this conversation. Thank you very much. Advocate Susiben Shah, the first obvious question is obviously going to come to you. Chal kya raha hai? Is Mr. Shinde deliberately trying to delay Devendra Fadnavis' swearing in? Because that is what the indication and the signs are.
Sab badhiya chal raha hai. With that note, very good evening to everyone. And I would just like to tell you this, that the NDA, the Shiv Sena and the BJP have been the oldest partner. And our jod is like a Fevicol jod. But you must remember this, that it was accepted that we went to the elections. The Mahayuti fought the election, won with a thundering success, was under the leadership of Eknath Shinde. We are the undisputed Shiv Sena with a huge mandate amongst the Hindus and the Marathi Manus. And now that the corporation elections are around the corner, it is expected that Shiv Sena, our Pramukh Neta Eknath Rauji Shinde, should get the respect and dignity that it deserves. You see, we Shiv Sainiks are very emotional, very hardworking people. So therefore, emotions are attached here. And therefore, but I'm sure, in the same breath, I would say that I am sure that PM Sir and Amit Shah ji will give the due credence that is required by the Shiv Sena.
So, Susiben ji, tell me, for someone who has served as Chief Minister of Maharashtra for 2 years and under whose leadership this election was fought and won, that dignity and that respect is only the CM's post. So, are you saying that the Shiva Sena or the Shinde Sena will not sit quiet till Mr. Eknath Shinde is appointed the Chief Minister? Because by all accounts and reports, Devendra Fadnavis has already been picked.
As far as Shiv Sena is concerned, we are a very emotional party. We are not here for satta, but we do believe that the kind of appreciation, the name of common man given to CM Sir, he was the preferred choice, the Maratha leader who had given 35% to be the CM. Be as it may, we are a cadre-based party, so whatever they decide. But I'll tell you this, as far as CM Sir is concerned, caretaker as of now, and our Pramukh Neta will abide by whatever the decision taken by Amit Shah ji and PM and the PM Modi ji. But I'd like to tell you this. For us, what are we asking? What are we asking? Simple. Last time Deputy CM, the Home Minister was with him. Home Minister, same thing. It is expected. Same thing with revenue. Revenue also was not with the CM last time. So therefore, the same formula should be given to our party, and especially our CM Sir, caretaker CM Sir. And he has proved beyond a shadow of doubt that as the governing Maharashtra is concerned, no better than Eknath Rauji. So therefore, with that in mind, we do hope that these are negotiations, madam. Fine negotiations, fine tuning is required, and that's what we are doing.
Okay, Asif Bhamla, spokesperson of the BJP, you have the Shinde Sena spokesperson openly saying we are an emotional party and that you need to give us the dignity that we deserve. And this election was fought under Eknath Shinde. And what we are asking is simply an exchange offer. जो देवेंद्र फडणवीस के पास था पिछली बार एज डेप्यूटी चीफ मिनिस्टर, वो आप एकनाथ शिंदे को दो एज डेप्यूटी चीफ मिनिस्टर. व्हाट इज द बिग डील अबाउट इट? चल क्या रहा है? आप लोगों की लड़ाई तो बहुत हो गई. इट सीम्स दैट द रियल इलेक्शन हैज स्टार्टेड आफ्टर द इलेक्शन रिजल्ट्स.
कुछ लड़ाई नहीं हो रही है, कोई परिस्थिति नहीं है, ना कोई परेशानी है. आप लोग धैर्य रखिए, शांति रखिए. You will see a very fabulous mammoth शपथ विधि happening on the 5th. आप लोग दिल थाम कर बैठिए. ये सब जो चल रहा है, ये सारा सब कुछ जो है आप लोग को बिजी रखने के लिए है. जो होना है वो हो रहा है, जो चलना है वो चल रहा है. और अभी परिणाम तो आ ही चुका है एक. अभी दूसरा कामयाब परिणाम का भी तो इंतजार करिए ना. आप लोग चारों की सब चीज आप लोगों को एक ही साथ हम दे दें तो फिर सस्पेंस क्या बचेगा? पिक्चर कुछ
नहीं मिस्टर भावला, एक ही साथ नहीं. मैं हॉस्पिटल गई, सर्जरी कराया, 2 दिन हॉस्पिटल में रही, 4 दिन घर रही, उसके बाद आई बैक इन ऑफिस. And Maharashtra still doesn't
देखिए,
have a government. 9 दिन हो गए हैं भाई.
5 ये जो अन्य लोग जो मैं देख रहा हूँ, संजय राउत जी जो बेचारे फूले नहीं समा रहे हैं, जो पहले भी फूले ना समाते रहे, अभी भी फूले नहीं समा रहे हैं, और जो बेचारे बयानबाजी कर रहे हैं, ये सब जो चीजें हैं, ये देखिए उनके सर्वनाश का कारण यही सारी चीजें थी। और यही अभी भी इस दौरान जो वो बयानबाजी कर रहे हैं ना, उसका वो एक साझा चित्र देखेंगे 5 तारीख को, जब बेहतरीन तरीके से आप तीनों लोगों को शपथ लेते हुए देखेंगे। ये आप लिख लीजिए मुझसे आज, दिन, समय और वक्त के साथ। और जैसे हमारे शिवसेना के प्रवक्ता ने कहा कि ये जोड़ फेविकॉल का जोड़ है, तो मैं भी ये पुनः आप उनकी बात को और पक्का करता हूं, और पूरे रिस्पेक्ट और डिग्निटी के साथ एकनाथ शिंदे जी को, देखिए बार्गेनिंग होना कोई लाजिम बात है, हर पार्टी में होती है। और ये चुनाव एकनाथ जी के नेतृत्व में भी लड़ा गया था, नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में लड़ा गया था, देवेंद्र जी के नेतृत्व में लड़ा गया था, और अजीत दादा के। तो जब कामयाब होती है, इट्स ऑलवेज अ टीम एफर्ट दैट इज एन आउटकम ऑफ अ सक्सेसफुल थिंग, एंड दिस आउटकम हैज बीन सुपर्बली फैंटास्टिक. इट्स गॉट नो मैच. There is no match to this outcome. We have
So this is
in
interesting.
fact beaten our own records. So अभी बाकी
I want
जो
to be
लोग,
troublemaker
बाकी जो
and
लोग
point
खुश
out to
रहे,
something
5 तारीख
interesting,
का,
Mr.
उनको भी तो
Bhavla.
पूछा- नहीं, देखिए, give me 5 seconds. Give me 5 seconds.
अच्छा,
5
ठीक है,
seconds.
ठीक है, ठीक है. अब सुनिए, अरे
देखिए,
Mr. Bhavla,
इतनी पीड़ा,
wait now.
परेशानियों
I
से
just
ये
want
लोग
to
गुजरे।
play trouble. I
5
want to
seconds,
play
5
troublemaker and say
seconds.
something. It is
5
interesting
seconds.
that the Shinde Sena is saying, and the spokesperson is saying,
जी.
this election was fought under Eknath Shinde ji. You are saying no, it was fought under Narendra Modi ji and Eknath Shinde ji and Devendra Fadnavis ji and everyone else.
She will
So he
accept that
cannot
also.
lay claim to the
She
Chief
too will
Minister's
accept that.
post or
She
demand
too-
demand the Home Minister's post.
My associate from Sena also will accept this. My
Susi
Sena,
Ben,
my
do you
Sena,
accept his contention?
associate will also accept this.
I will not deny what he is saying.
आपको कोई ये तो नहीं है ना इस हकीकत
Asif
से?
bhai, I
हाँ,
completely
एक मिनट
agree.
अरे मिस्टर भामला जवाब तो सुन लीजिए.
Asif bhai, I completely agree. It was a threesome
सुनाइए,
marching
सुनाइए.
together, marching together toward a thunderous victory. Cannot be denied. But it was accepted by Ajit Dada and it was accepted by Devendra Fadnavis ji that we are fighting this election under the leadership of Eknath Rao Shinde ji. उसमें कोई गलत नहीं है. और आज कोई भी चीफ मिनिस्टर हुए, we are a cadre-based party. We'll abide by the decision of PM sir and Amit Shah ji. Be rest assured. Fine tuning.
Okay.
We are
Can I come in now,
titans.
please?
3 parties are titans.
Okay.